Best Cowrywise features for seamless money transfers. Moving money should be instant and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the best Cowrywise features for seamless money transfers, both within the app and to your external bank accounts. Cowrywise simplifies money movement primarily through its internal wallet called the Stash. Just transfer to bank accounts. You can easily withdraw funds from your stash directly to your registered bank account. Withdrawals are typically settled within 24 hours, ensuring quick access to your cash when you need it for emergencies. Then you can fund via bank transfer. To get money into your Cowrywise plans, whether savings or investment plans, the bank transfer option is fantastic. It generates a one-time virtual account number, and your transfer from your banking app credits your Cowrywise account instantly. The Stash acts as your central hub, making it easy to manage